Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for print media business. So here let's assume that I have a print media business and to promote that I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. Now to do this, I need to build an integration between these applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger will be Facebook and my action will be WhatsApp. So here to send the WhatsApp message I am using Vati. You can use any other application as well, such as AI Sensi, Interact. So if you want to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video we will understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for print media business. So here let's assume that I am promoting my printing press business by using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications. So I will be using Pabbly Connect. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. So this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads. And on my left hand side, you can see these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I've arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So now moving to my use case, that is to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for print media business. So now moving to my dashboard, as I'm promoting my printing business with the help of Facebook lead ads. So here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads, and here it is. And now the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I will receive a new lead, then automatically this workflow is going to run. So as I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to the Facebook lead, so here in this action window, I'm going to use Vati to send the WhatsApp message. So I'm searching Vati as my action application. Here it is. And now the action event will be to send template message. So here, as I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event, my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead. So now to do this, firstly, I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I'm simply going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads, as I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of the tabs. So here you can see that the authorization was successful. So Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. Now moving to the page and the lead gen form. Here I need to select the page that I've created for my business and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So this here is the page that I've created by the name of A to Z Printing Business. So over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to search for my page first. So I'm searching for my page over here, and here it is. Once I've selected the page, now I need to select the lead gen form associated with it. So here in Meta Business Suite, I've created these two lead ads forms. So I want to use this printing press form. So this is how the form looks like, and I'm going to use this form. So the name of this lead ad form is printing press form. So here in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to select it. So once I've selected my page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for webhook response, which means now I have to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now to do that test submission, here in this new tab, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers. So now I will go to the page, and here in Meta for Developers, I will go to My Apps, and in My Apps, I will go to Tools. And under Developer Tools, I will go to this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So this here is the Lead Ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So here you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So now here I'm going to select the page from this drop down that is by the name of A to Z Printing Press. Here it is. And now I'm going to select the form from the drop down that will be Printing Press form, and here I'm going to click on Preview Form. So this here is the lead ads form, and here I have filled in the dummy details over here in these fields, and now I'm going to click on next, and now I'm going to submit this. So here you can see it says thanks, you're all set. So now I'm going to close this. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created is captured in Pabbly Connect successfully. So now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect, and over here you can see I've received a response. This here is the email, full name, phone number, created date and time, along with some other details. That means the test lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data, and the workflow execution will start in real time. So now moving further, as I've got the lead details over here in Pabbly Connect, now I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to this lead. So to do that, firstly, I need to establish a connection between Vati and Pabbly Connect. So to do that, here I'm going to click on Connect. And now to add a new connection, here I need to mention the API endpoint and the access token. These are the instructions given below. Read this carefully because this will help you to get the API endpoint and the access token. So now let me take you to my Vati account, and over here I will go to API docs. So this here is the access token. I'm going to copy it, and over here in Pabbly Connect I'm going to paste it. Now again going to Vati, here I'm going to copy the API endpoint, and in Pabbly Connect I'm going to paste the same. Once this is done, I'm going to click on save. So now here you can see Vati and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. Now moving to these details. Here I need to mention the WhatsApp number. So as I've received it from the response, I'm going to map it. Basically, mapping is to insert the data from previous steps. So here from the response received, I'm going to map the phone number. Now once this is done, moving to the template part. So over here in Vati, I'm going to take you to the templates. And this here is the template that I've created by the name of Printing Press. The category is marketing and the language is English. Here I've added the broadcast title as A to Z Printing Press. And this is the body of the automated WhatsApp message which I want to send. So it goes as, hello, thank you for your response. Our team member is soon going to connect with you and will share exciting offers with you. Regards, A to Z Printing Press. So here after hello, this is a custom parameter. So that means after hello, I want to mention the name of the Facebook lead. So this custom variable will keep on changing accordingly as per the new response will be received. So now here in Pabbly Connect from this template, I'm going to select it as Printing Press. Once this is done, here I need to mention the broadcast name. So as I've mentioned the broadcast name as A to Z Printing Press. So here I'm going to write the same. Now once this is done, here moving to custom parameters. So as in this template after hello, I want to mention the name. So here I'm going to follow the same format that is given in the example. I'm going to paste it as we are using this custom parameter for name. So here I'm going to mention name and the value will be the name of the lead. So here I'm going to map the name of the lead. So as I've mapped all of these details, this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now here, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request to see the response. So here you can see I have received a response, and this here is a positive response. So now I'm going to take you to the WhatsApp message that has been sent. So this here is an automated WhatsApp message that has been sent to the lead successfully. So here is the broadcast title. Here after hello, you can see the name of the lead. This is the body, and here goes the regards. So that means an automated WhatsApp message has been successfully sent to the lead. So this automation and integration is a successful one. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then by using Vati, an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.